Yeah, your clothes don't need ironing. Let's pack pots. So for me, there's 3 types of pots that I want you guys to pack. Hey gorgeous, I'm Sunshine and welcome to my channel. I really hope you enjoy yourself here today. Today's video is things to pack for university, what to take to res. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Without further ado, let's get right. Guys, I think the first thing you guys should do is to print out your proof of registration, your permit, as well as your matric certificate, with also those ID pictures. Yes, because if you're going to university res, you need your proof of registration as well as your permit. Otherwise, you will not be allowed to access your room or to actually go into your room. They need to know that you're actually a registered student and you actually registered this. Yeah. And also, if you're going to a private res like South Point or something like that, with South Point you need your matric certificate as well as those ID pictures. This is just to verify that you actually do not live 5 minutes away from the university, that you really do need res, So, and also what I think you should pack is a mattress cover, like a bed cover, if I can put it that way, because actually at res you don't know who was sleeping in that bed. You don't know what they were doing when you were not there. So I highly suggest that you guys pack a bed cover just to protect yourself, because you just don't know what that person was doing, the person before you, what they were doing on that bed, or you really just don't know. So just to protect yourself from germs or anything like that, just buy a bed cover. I don't know what it's called, a mattress cover, you know what I mean, like that. Yes, those one, as well as a sheet. Yeah, so the next thing I feel like you guys should pack for university is a laptop. A laptop is so important for university. Unfortunately for me, my mom did not have enough money to buy me a laptop. So what I did is that I used my NSFAS money. Half of it was for textbooks, then half of it was for my laptop. Then every month I used to pay 500 rand. I used to save up 500 rand every month towards my laptop. And then in the duration of saving up, my friends were so kind enough to let me use their laptop because they understood my situation. And I also went to the library to use their laptops to access my lectures and my slides. So if also you also can't afford a laptop, try to use your NFAS money bit by bit. Save up 500 rand a month and you also will be able to buy yourself a brand new laptop. So the next thing I also think you guys should pack is a memory stick. It's so important for university, especially for your assignments. I believe in saving your assignments twice, one on your laptop and also one on your memory stick. I'll show you the memory stick that I highly recommend. It's actually good quality and you can actually just put it in your key holder or whatever. It's just very portable. And also just for if you go into internet cafe, instead of logging into your student email or doing whatever, just give them just literally have your memory stick and then plug it into the laptop. Then you can access your lectures and you can print some stuff without getting any viruses or without getting hacked from your email. So the next thing I feel like you guys should do in terms of kitchen stuff right now, in terms of kitchen stuff, I highly suggest you guys pack pots. So for me, there's 3 types of pots that I want you guys to pack. The first one obviously is that big pot where you cook your pap, your rice, sometimes you even cook your beef stew, that type of pot. Your big pot, as well as this, there's a small pot. It's not a frying pan, but it's if you're doing your mince, your chicken a la king, that type of thing. I really do suggest you buy the big pot, the mini pot, and also a frying pan for frying your eggs, frying bacon and stuff like that. please do not measure yourself nice time in university. You gotta feed yourself in your university. I highly suggest you guys buy yourselves pot, or actually take pots from your house, but obviously do ask for permission from your parents if they can give you some pots from home or stuff like that. And also I highly suggest you pack dishes, guys, because what you're gonna plate your food with. I highly suggest you guys plate your dishes. Also, don't be like my friend, because my friend Lazola, oh my word, she literally has one plate, one bowl, one glass, and one cup. Literally every time you go to her room and you want to have a snack, or you just want to have just chillas nyana, you always have to go back to your room, get yourself a plate and a cup or glass, because literally she caters for herself. But with me, I literally have, I think I have 5 of each thing, because I don't know, I just cater for a lot of people. I just want to make sure when you come to my room, you are catered for. If you want snacks, you can get snacks. If you want a drink, you can get a drink. If you want me to dish up for you, there's a plate for you. I'm more of a homely type of person. That's why with me, when it comes to cooking, I like to cook, guys. I'm not gonna measure myself food, guys. No, man. I want to feed so I can yes, at least you understand. But yeah, I highly suggest you guys do that. And also cater for your friends. Don't be like my friend Lazola, because literally you always make fun of her that she literally has one of every single thing. So cater for your friends, and just make it your own space. And talking about your own space, I highly suggest that you bring pictures from your home, pictures of your mom and dad, your siblings, just so that when you look at your room, you're okay, this is home. This is my new home for a few months. This is my new home where I'm at a different province. So just make your race feel like it's home. Bring things from home, bring things from your room, not everything, don't get me wrong, not everything, but just bring things from home that when you at res, you also feel like this is your second home. Hopefully I'm making sense. And then also the next thing that I feel like you should pack for university is a extension cord. Yo guys, an extension cord is very, very crucial, because some rooms are designed to a point where okay, instance, my room, the extension, the electricity thingy is there, and then you can see that my bed is here. So obviously I need an extension cord, because I don't know about you, at night I like to watch movies and I want my laptop to be there. I don't want to be okay when it says 10% now I'm forced to sleep. No, so an extension cord is very, very, very important at rest, because majority of the time they positioned very weird, hey, so you kind of need an extension cord, and also a lamp. But with a lamp, it's not really a must, because I know with res, university res, there is a study lamp for you. But places like South Point, private reses, I think there you'll most definitely need a lamp, because they do not provide a lamp for you. And also, the next thing I also want you guys to pack is actually hangers, because you guys need to remember that university res is not a 5-star res. They do not have hangers in the wardrobe. Is it called a wardrobe? In the this thing, what is called? Yeah, that they do not have hangers. So I highly suggest you get yourself some hangers, or you actually take some hangers from home, but not too much, because when you come back you won't have hangers. But just take some hangers from home, just so you, in the meanwhile, you can hang your clothes. And then also talking about clothes, I highly suggest you get yourself a ironer. Get yourself, not even an ironing board, forget about that, a iron. Don't be that girl that does not iron her clothes. Don't be that boy that does not iron her clothes. Iron your clothes. It's a must to iron your clothes. Don't give that excuse, because yeah, your clothes don't need ironing. excuse you, they do. But I highly suggest you get yourself an iron. One tip that I do, that I set a day of when I do my laundry. So the day I do my laundry is the day I iron the clothes that I actually washed. Do you understand? So I usually do that on Saturday. So I'll do my laundry on a Saturday. Then on that same day, the clothes that the clothes that I washed, I will iron. And also, do not forget to iron your sheets, to iron your pillowcases. You don't want your pillowcases to have no, man. Don't be that person that does not iron their pillowcases or their sheets. Iron those things. They need to be ironed, and sometimes the dryer does not iron them properly, so I most definitely iron my pillowcases, I iron my sheets, I iron basically everything, and then what I do is I fold them and put it back in the wardrobe. That's what I do. And also, I also think that you guys will most definitely need a kettle, even though I am not a tea or coffee person, so I most definitely do not use my kettle that much. I only use it when I'm cooking for my pap or my rice or something that needs hot water, and also for my noodles, because I'm a big fan of noodles, and noodles are just so easy to make. So I highly suggest you guys get yourself a kettle. But honestly, for me, I'm not a tea person or coffee person, but obviously there are other uses for a kettle. And then also, one thing that you guys should pack is a lock, because if you add university res, you will need a lock, because I know UCT res, UWC res, UP res, UJ and VETS, for to enter your res or your res, you need to lock your room. And I highly suggest that, because I see when you get your lock, it comes with 3 keys. So one, you just give it to your friend, and then the other one, what you can do is that you can just hide it somewhere in your res, because sometimes, guys, you figure out that you woke up at 2 a.m. in the morning and you want to go to the toilet, right? So now you must wake up your friend to get your key, because then you forget that you can't close your door, because because majority of the time when you go to the toilet, you don't want to take your key, so sometimes you forget, so, and when you forget, you also do lock your door and you close your door, so then that means you'll be locked out of your door. So at 2 a.m. sometimes you don't want to bother your friend, so I highly suggest the other key, you just hide it somewhere at your res. And also for me, it's actually beneficial for me to do that, is because the security, the reception is so far from my room. If you know where I stay and if you know where my room is, it's so far from my room, so I'm I must walk all the way down there with my night dress. No ways, bye. So I kind of hide my second key somewhere at res. Don't tell anyone. Yes. I sometimes hide I actually hide my key somewhere in res, and I also do give it to my friend, so whenever I lock myself, I can just ask her that, hey friend, can I please have my key so I can unlock myself. But yeah, guys, I highly suggest that you guys get yourselves locks. And obviously the day that you move into US is the day you'll get your lock, because the lock is not really expensive, 25 rand, 35 rand for the big lock, then the small lock is 25 rand if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, I'm actually correct. Yeah, guys, I think that's the end of today's video. Oh no, I'm so sad. I'm so sad, guys. It was so nice talking to you guys. I really enjoyed talking to you guys today. I hope this information was helpful. I hope majority of you guys got your permits to go back to res, so you guys can get that whole university experience. I'm so happy for you guys. But yeah, is it the end? Yeah, I think I talked about everything, things that are very, very important for you to bring and things that you might forget. So I really hope this video was informative and I made sense. I really hope I made sense. But please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But that's only if you want to show me some love and support, but I really would appreciate it. But for me, Baby Sunshine Legodi, bye.
Told me I was enough. Too much, maybe then all you needed was a crutch. Yeah, 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 yeah.